Lovely, right? Well, if you follow my analysis on these assets, the dollar, you can see everything is going well as planned. Sorry for the background noise. I'm in a noisy place. You can see everything is going well as planned. You remember this guy. Let me go to the daily. Perfect. That's my good one. Hold on. Make this little more. Down. Okay. So you remember this guy here, our little bullish order block. Price ran into it last week. That was the stop. Friday's candle, the low of Fridays, tapped into this bullish order block, and I was like, I want to see a further down moving price taking out this equal low, because after price tapped into this bullish order block on Friday, it displays higher, it created a clean equal lows. So price was at this point on Friday's close. So I wanted to see price displace using this inversion fair value gap on a daily, displace lower back and take this equal low out. So fully tapping into this bullish order block, and we got this. There's a clean, beautiful entry on the 1 hour. I would have loved. Well, let me show you. I wanted you guys to check it out yourself. That is how you learn. So you see the tab. This was like Monday's price action, blah blah blah. Then into Tuesday, there was a gap. Tapped into it. Then we had this move. Tapped into it one more time, taking out this low, probably low from Asia. Then we have this aggressive move upward. The moment this candle closed above this swing high, we have our bullish shift in market structure. What is this? From there to here. I mean, what is this? Fair value gap on the 1 hour, and it is in line with this volume imbalance from the daily opening up. It's in line with it, and then we have this double close, down close candle, which is our bullish order block. So all these are aligning perfectly, making this order block high probability, fair value gap high probability in line with this. So once price comes back into it, you want to take a buy. You want to see dollar displays higher once it taps into it, and that was what happened. So this is just beautiful. It involves patience, a lot of patience, if and then knowing what you're looking for. So if you haven't seen the previous video, I think you should. We have CPI tomorrow during New York session, so um, that is the main move I'm looking for. What to? And I want to see price deliver into this high, taking out this buy side liquidity. Sell side liquidity has been taken. There was a market maker sell model here. Then I want to see the buy side of the curve here. Let me show you GBP USD. I didn't talk about Euro USD, but I actually mark it up, but I didn't trade it perfectly. GBP USD is also selling. Should I use this chart? So just watch the previous video then. Everything was breakdown there. was broken down there. The analysis, my anticipation, why I moved from bearishness on the dollar to bullishness. There was a reason behind all this. Currently, it's playing. I don't want to be like I'm shooting too early because the move is still gonna happen tomorrow, and anything can happen with CPI. Anything can happen. Price can just decide to trade lower and then boom, high, taking me out or taking everybody that is shorting out. I don't know, but my anticipation is I want to see this happen. I want to see price keep going lower and then CPI should shoot it into the zone. Probably this is the first level of target. So this is the overall. This is the overall. If you check it out, this is a range high. This is a range low. Let me use this so I can highlight it well. So hold on. Let's see. So if you check it out, this is whoa. I'm supposed to hold on. Okay. So this is a range high and this is the range low. Price traded into this range high, took this range high out, then started displacing lower, created a liquidity. So trade lower and then there was a range, it consolidated and then boom, displaced below this low, which also this is a range low between this range and this range. This is a range low, this is a range high. The moment this displacement happened, there was a shift in market structure to bearishness. Now I was going to look, remember this range high has been taken with this candle. This formed the new range from here to here. This formed a new range from here to here. So watch what happened. This also from this range low was taken. Now price was going to take out this range high and then it tapped into. So once I saw this, my attention got here. It was aligning perfectly with my bias, my bullish bias on the dollar. My attention got here. Price should want to go up here, probably clear out all this buy side liquidity. And then if you check on the daily, there was a daily bearish order block as well. So price should tap into it. So this range high was the liquidity that was below the daily bearish order block. So it was just perfect for me because this liquidity is what is going to influence price, pairing it with our daily or bearish order block to push it lower. So the moment I saw this and I have my daily order block highlighted, what do you think? You just have to wait for price to. This was Friday. Price traded in. Price came down on Monday, tapped into some. Okay, no, where was it? Where was this? This just let me see. That was the Monday, yeah. So price came down, tapped into this imbalance, and then rally high took out this high. Then today being Tuesday, it has taken out this range high. This is the overall range. I'll call this the parent range. So if this is the overall parent range, which is the range high, this is the range low. You see why this is my target? So I want to see price, even though it might take days. I don't know. I don't think CPI should deliver the move once, but it can happen. Just one candle can do that move. So, but even if it could take few days, few weeks, fine. But going forward this month, I am bearish and I want to see this until this range low is taken. If I should go further below this range low, this is a monthly imbalance. So this is also a magnet to price. Price is attracted to this. So price is going to come this shaded area. Price is also going to come below this monthly. This is area analysis. So this monthly imbalance price is also going to come below to take it out. So my eyes is there too, but my first target where I'm going to take almost everything out, everything off the table is here. I I don't think I'm going to wait for price to reach here. Probably, maybe I could take some partial, then let runners run. But this is where I'm going to scale out. You just need to know your entries points and your exit zone. Well, until then, let's see how it plays out. Be safe out there. You can follow me if you want to. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I don't think I have any subscribers so far, but then that's not a problem. I'll keep doing what I'm doing. I love doing what I'm doing. I learn also doing what I'm doing. So I just wish you all will also succeed in this business. Be safe.